are these meeting the premium grade standards?
Absolutely. The bloom quality is excellent, very low defects. Okay, temperature is good at 6.2. Weight is 10.1. Everything looks within spec.
Robotic arms with small blades score the orange peel. High-pressure water jets blast the peel away from the flesh. Destemmed berries and orange segments undergo industrial washing. Stage 1, rinse in potable water.
Weighed fruit enters industrial crushers, creating pulp for extraction. Strawberries in a high shear blender at 10,000 RPM.
Preparation. Pectin powder is weighed precisely. Pectin is pre-mixed with sugar using a ribbon blender.
The citric acid is weighed for the batch, then dissolved in water using a magnetic stirrer until the crystalline powder disappears and the solution becomes clear.
Jelly production requires large volumes of water. Municipal water undergoes additional treatment in factory.
Every sealed cup passes through automated seal inspection. Vision inspection uses a high-resolution camera and
The jelly sample is diluted and plated on nutrient agar, then incubated at 35 degrees Celsius for 4 months.
Samples undergo chemical analysis verifying nutritional content. Bricks measured 55.2 degrees. pH was...
The current batch scored highly at 7.8, surpassing both the control and the competitor. This confirms superior
After 6 months at 40 degrees Celsius, equivalent to 18 months real-time, the product remains acceptable.
Camera shows grape jelly. Rich purple color, nearly black when thick, glossy appearance, filling cups with deep jewel tone beauty.
Our organic product line uses certified organic ingredients, meeting both USDA organic and EU organic.
Jelly is naturally suitable for vegan diets. Pectin is plant-derived from fruit peels, unlike gelatin, which is animal-derived from bones or skin.
Halal certification ensures products meet Islamic dietary laws. The market is massive, particularly in the Middle East and South Africa.
Control measures include segregation of allergen-containing products, validated cleaning and testing.
Would you like to try our new real fruit jelly? They are gluten-free.
That's delicious. I'll take a pack.
These collaborative robots work alongside humans safely. They are easy to program using a teach pendant and can be redeployed in just 30 minutes.
All right, focus on the highlighted section. Piston pump 3. Use the power tool on those M6 bolts. I'm circling them now.